In a small, forgotten town nestled between mist-covered mountains and dense, ancient forests, there stood an old mansion that loomed ominously on the outskirts. Locals whispered tales of a cursed room within its decaying walls, a room with a locked door that had not been opened for decades. The mansion had a dark history, one that no one dared to discuss openly. Legend had it that the room was sealed after a series of unexplainable events took place within its confines. Those who claimed to have heard the harrowing tales spoke of strange noises, ghostly apparitions, and an overwhelming sense of dread that hung in the air. One stormy night, a group of adventurous friends decided to explore the abandoned mansion, their curiosity overcoming the warnings of the superstitious townsfolk. Armed with flashlights and fueled by teenage bravado, they entered the creaking mansion, determined to uncover the secrets hidden behind its ominous facade. Navigating through the dilapidated hallways, they stumbled upon a narrow staircase that led them to the upper floors. The air grew colder as they ascended, and the eerie silence was only broken by the echoes of their hesitant footsteps. As they reached the top floor, a door stood ajar, beckoning them like a gateway to the unknown. The friends hesitated, casting nervous glances at one another. Despite the eerie atmosphere, their curiosity got the better of them, and they cautiously pushed the door open. The room beyond was cloaked in darkness, save for the feeble beams of their flashlights. The air felt thick, and an oppressive stillness hung in the room. In the center stood an old, ornate mirror, reflecting the wavering light back at them. Suddenly, the door slammed shut with a force that echoed through the mansion. Panic set in as they desperately tried to open it, but it seemed as if an unseen force held it firmly closed. The atmosphere in the room shifted, and shadows seemed to dance in the corners, taking on sinister shapes. A haunting whisper filled the air, indistinct words that sent shivers down their spines. The friends, now paralyzed with fear, watched in horror as the reflection in the mirror distorted into grotesque figures that reached out for them. The temperature plummeted, and an otherworldly presence enveloped the room. The friends felt an invisible grip tightening around them, squeezing the air from their lungs. The whispers grew louder, and an anguished wail echoed through the chamber. In a desperate bid for escape, they collectively focused their energy on the door. With a deafening groan, it slowly creaked open, releasing them from the grip of the malevolent force. They stumbled out, gasping for breath, leaving the cursed room behind. The mansion, once silent, roared with a ghostly wind as the friends fled its haunted halls. The room with the locked door remained a dark secret, a testament to the supernatural forces that lurked within, waiting to ensnare anyone daring enough to uncover its mysteries. The townsfolk, aware of the cursed room's power, continued to warn others to stay away from the forsaken mansion, where the echoes of the past refused to be silenced.